What's going on, everybody? I just got this box on my front step. I lost my little stand, it broke. So, we're gonna open this guy up, see what I got. I think they are little boxes for my lures. I might have got some hooks too, I'm not sure. This is from Jann's. I've never ordered from Jann's before. Jann's Netcraft in Maumee, Ohio. I like this because you get to read the newspaper from Toledo, Ohio, but this is not a very nice page. It's the dang obituaries. What the heck? You get the death page. Kind of cool. Anyway, let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah. Ooh. I got some more Daiichi death traps in a little cute little box. And I got some lure boxes for this weekend. Check it out, check it out. These are cool. I'll open one up here in a second. That's a small size. Here's a medium size lure box, clamshell box. I'm excited about these. And a little bigger one. See? There's number 3. And what else did I order? Oh, Kylie's Baitfish Stencil Kit. Yep. That's cool. And then I also ordered a, there's my purchase order. Packing slip. Empty. Good box for pickles. I also asked them to send me a catalog. Lure making, rod building, fishing tackle, net making, soft plastic fly tying. Complete tackle catalog celebrating 80 years. There we go. Hey, you're back? I didn't even know you were here.
All these fancy boxes.
Those are cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. So your wife has got a little hunger to her right now.
She's hungry?
Yes, she is.
That's my wife. I'm making a video.
You're making a video?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Lure making. Yeah. Alright, well, let's try one of these boxes out. Alright. And I'm going to say it'd be good for one of these minnows. No, too big. Good for one of these guys. Boom. Isn't that nice? It's a beauty. Yeah. Let's try the small one out. Smaller. Look at that. Fits perfectly in the box. These look good, huh? Look at this. You want to say something? Why? All of a sudden my wife's shy. She talks a lot. I mean, you know, not too much, but you know what I mean. She's not shy. Alright, I'm excited. Oh, let me show you this. Alright. Stencil kits. These are good for the side of the bass lure. One baby bass. Here's crankbait side. Look at that. Man, that's nice. And flexible too. So they can wrap around the. Look at the hair. Man. Ooh. That's a good one. Look at that one. Just stepped up my game right here. Right? What do y'all think? I got them at Jann's Netcraft. What you got in there? Look at these. That's cool. There's another one. These are little, what do you call them? Fins. Ooh. Nice. I guess that's it. Talk to you later. Peace.